Create your workspace with this canvas size. Move to the text tool and write your text. Then drag your image to Photoshop and place it on top of the text. Reduce the opacity so that you can know the right position to place it. Make a duplicate of the image. Hide this layer. Hold Alt and click on that to create a clipping mask. Unhide this layer and remove the background. Use the quick selection tool to make any adjustment on the selected layer. Choose the text layer and follow this process.